Good morning, driver. This is your scheduled check-in call from Friendly Fleet Control for your 6 a.m. delivery shift. This call is being recorded for compliance purposes. Please confirm your truck driver ID for verification.
123.
Thank you, driver. I verified your ID as 123. You're all set to proceed with the check-in process. Now, I'll be asking you a series of questions as part of the pre-shift protocol. Let's get started. Can you confirm that you're awake and ready to begin your shift?
Yes, I'm awake.
Great. Have you had at least 10 consecutive hours of rest in the last 24 hours?
Yes, I have.
Perfect. Have you completed your vehicle inspection for today?
I have.
All right, and finally, do you have any issues to report with your vehicle or cargo before starting the shift?
No, everything looks good to go.
Excellent. I've logged your successful pre-drive check-in in the TMS. Your first pickup is at 6:30 a.m. at the Chicago Depot, Dock 4. Traffic is currently clear. Do you have any questions before we wrap up?
No, I think that's all I need for now. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. You're all set. Drive safely, and talk to you again at your next scheduled check-in. Have a great shift.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Now I'll walk you through how to create this AI assistant in the Telnyx portal. So you log into your portal account, navigate to AI Storage and Compute, select AI Assistants, and here you can see all the AI assistants you've already made. So for this demo, we use the pre-shift driver check-in assistant. You can see assistant ID here, the model that was used when it was created. And if you select edit, you can see all the steps involved in configuring the AI assistant. So you name your agent, then you select the model you want to use. If you want to use OpenAI, you'll need to add your API key, but let's just use this one. Then you add your instructions for the agent. This part is fun. You're describing how the agent should behave, the voice and tone, what it should do, what it shouldn't do, give it an example of an interaction, and limitations. You can be as specific and prescriptive here as you want, or vague, and try it out and see how the assistant behaves. It's fun. And then in the greeting, you just add the greeting when the agent answers or whoever the agent is calling. Down here is where you add tools. So for the purpose of this demo, we use two webhook tools, get driver schedule and get driver details. These query a very basic database we created for the purpose of this demo, but in practice, you'd add your own webhook tool to integrate with your own systems, your transportation management systems, and it's very easy to set up here. Just select add webhook tool. You can also use our other tools, retrieval, transfer the call maybe to a live agent. You could schedule another delivery, reschedule delivery, check availability. It's very easy to do with these tools here. Then moving on to voice, you choose your provider. I use Telnyx for this one. I really like the Hank voice, but we have loads and loads of different voices you can try them out in the voice playground, and then choose your transcription model. Then under calling, you need to assign a number. So before this, you'd need to have purchased a number under real-time communications, and then you assign it to the AI assistant in this step. It's very simple to do. And same for messaging. If you wanted your AI assistant to be able to send SMS messages, you need to assign a phone number for that here as well. Under advanced, this is a new feature we've added. You can tell the assistant whether or not to retain data. So this is really useful in use cases where there might be sensitive data or just for general data protection purposes. And then you can see your conversation history. So when you're finished, just hit save and you're ready to go. So when you're finished creating your AI assistant, then you can set it up to automatically call your drivers at the start of their shift. So in practice, you'd want to integrate with your own systems so that the AI assistant is triggered to call the drivers at the correct time. So let's just test it out to show how it works. So you'd add your bearer token here. Then you need to add the assistant ID in the header, and you can get that here in the portal. So you copy the assistant ID, add that to the header. Then you select whether you want a phone call or SMS chat. Phone call is perfect here. Telnyx end user target. So that's the phone number we want the agent to call. Just to demo this, we'll paste that in here. And then Telnyx agent target. So that's the phone number of the agent itself. And you'll find that if you go into edit AI assistant, go to calling, and the number is here. So copy that, and that's your Telnyx agent target. I'm not sure what format it needs to be in, but let's go with this. And then you add your exact time you want it to be triggered to call. Again, you can configure this yourself with your own systems, but I'm just going to manually put in the time here. It needs to be formatted as ISO 8601, which right now is this. So let's put that here. I'm going to put it for 1 minute from now and hope it calls me while we're still on the demo, and then let's just leave this out for now. So then we hit send API request. Did that work? Responses. Yep, okay, it worked. Good. So this call should be scheduled now. Waiting. Oh, there it is.
Good morning, driver. This is your scheduled check-in call from Friendly Fleet Control. This call is being recorded for compliance purposes. Please confirm your truck driver ID for verification.